16Ks.
4 16Ks.
Yes, sir.
Was that you I seen walking with that big amp earlier?
Yeah.
What in the world? Or 16K, man.
Yeah, go and get that though.
Yes, sir.
You got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.